Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable schema markup using Google Structured Data, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable schema markup using Google Structured Data, start by understanding what schema markup is. Schema markup is code that helps search engines understand your content better. It enhances your website's visibility in search results. Begin by deciding the type of schema you want to implement. Visit the schema.org website to explore various types of schemas available. Choose a schema type that matches your content, such as articles, products, or reviews. Once you select the schema type, gather all relevant data for your chosen schema. Next, use Google's Structured Data Markup Helper to assist with the implementation. Select the type of data that matches your content. Enter the URL of the page you want to mark up or paste your HTML code directly. Highlight the relevant text on your page, then choose the appropriate schema markup from the drop-down. Continue this process for all relevant elements on your page. After marking up the content, click the Create HTML button. This will generate the structured data code for you. Copy the generated code. Now, head to your website's code editor. Locate the correct page where you want to implement the schema markup. Paste the structured data code within the head or the body section of your HTML. Save your changes. To ensure the markup is correctly implemented, use Google's Rich Results Test tool. Paste the URL of your marked up page into the tool and run a test. Review the results to confirm that there are no errors. If errors are present, address them based on the feedback provided. Once validated, it may take some time for search engines to recognize the new markup. Monitor your website's performance in search results for improvements. Implementing schema markup can lead to enhanced visibility and better search engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.